Welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I haven't been around much recently, but I have been busy at the allotment, draining all the water away. I'm always posting videos and pictures on Twitter if you want to follow me on Twitter. So today we had a little walk in some woods near us, picking some wild garlic. This is what the wild garlic flowers look like, and this is what the leaves look like. If you feel inspired to go hunt for some wild garlic yourself, here's not what to get because it's very poisonous and can really hurt you. This is lily of the valley. It looks a bit like wild garlic, but isn't. And there's this lord and ladies, which is also poisonous. Every year around Easter time, apart from the last 2 years, we go hunting around the woods looking like weirdos, picking wild garlic because it's delicious, especially the flowers. Surrounded by wild garlic. Some pretty flowers. You can see something beautiful. You ready? Beautiful. And there's my daughter right there. My son. Mostly just got wild garlic leaves, not the flowers because they're not through yet. Got a few flower heads. Looks like my allotment, this. My daughter said it's never an adventure if you stay on the path. So she's gone off the path somewhere. Look at all that.
Hurry up, Steve.
I thought you was never coming back there.
It went really far.
Did you find a cave, did you?
Yeah?
Something like a cave.
Well, I don't know, because I was coming back by the...
Enjoy these pictures while I talk and waffle on. I've got 2 allotment videos coming up from a few weeks ago now, and one recent one of all the water in my allotment. So they'll be coming out soon. Get ready with your tickets because these videos are coming. I hope you enjoyed this little video about my little walk, and I've got lots of things going on in the allotment, and I'll be posting videos.
Thanks for watching.